Hi friends, I'm Miss Sachi, and today we're going to talk about rain. Because outside, it's starting to rain again. It's been raining quite a lot because it's rainy season. So when it's rainy, the clouds come into a big gray cloud, and suddenly the rain starts coming down. Now the rain has a lot of sounds. Sometimes it makes just a soft drop, goes pitter patter. Sometimes it sounds like this when you snap your fingers. Sometimes when it gets really, really loud, you can make a tapping sound on your lap, like a drum roll. That's when a thunderstorm hits. But today we're going to talk about Rain is Falling Down. And it's a really fun song that you can sing when it's raining. So first, we're going to wiggle our fingers. And we're going to wiggle them up. And we're going to wiggle them down, 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 down. And then when it makes splash, we clap. We clap. Because it's a big noise, a splash. And then after it splashes, after it rains, the sun comes out and it goes peekaboo, peekaboo. So it goes like this. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking out, peek. Peeking here and peeking there. Sun is peeking out, peek. Or you can say, peekaboo. Peekaboo, I see you. Now, sometimes when it's raining, I like to take my baby or my animal friend. This is my baby. Hello. Hello, this is my baby panda. Can you say hello, Mr. Panda? He says hi. Do you have your babies? Or maybe your animal friend just like Mr. Panda here? Sometimes when it's rainy, they want to go to sleep. So maybe we can sing them this lullaby and make them go to sleep. So you can hold your babies like this. And we're going to sing. Ready? Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking out, peek. Peeking there and peeking here. Sun is peeking out, peek. Peekaboo. Shh. I think my baby panda has fallen asleep. How about your baby? Did they fall asleep too? Shh. Now let's be quiet. But I hope you have fun today. We'll see you next time. Say good night. Night night.